Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1977 Ford Bronco. Killer little truck, guys. It's undergone a recent frame-off restoration. Sorry guys, truck's going by. Again, it's just undergone a recent frame-off restoration. He said it's got about 3,000 miles on it since he got it done. Great little truck, man. I love the color combination. It's a two-tone. It's a bright blue metallic and white. It's got blue Hounds Tooth interior in it, which I think is super cool. Of course, you got it lifted up a little bit. Brand new BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs all the way around it. Aluminum wheels. 302 automatic with air. Killer little truck. Couple things, we do have wiper arms on order, guys. I apologize, we replaced the front windshield, had a crack in it, so we put a new front windshield in it, and we do have the rear view mirror. We're just waiting on the glue to get it put up. But great truck. It's out of Kentucky. Good solid body on it. Truck runs and drives out good. Just a good truck. I'd probably put about 4 or 5 miles on it. He actually had it down there for a little Bronco meet. I bought it at a show in Tennessee. He was down for a little Bronco meet down there. Pretty paint. Again, this front windshield is brand new. Actually, all the glass in the truck is new, but that front paint is brand new. It had a little rock peck in it, so we changed it. I love the Hounds Tooth interior. They've done that rock guard in the bed here, so it's very usable. You can see a little touch-up mark there where these things are so hot, man. I've had about 3 of them here in the last 2 years, and man, they just do not last. People love these things. It's hard to find them. Nice and straight down the sides. Love the wheels and tires on it. But they are just on fire, man. People love these things. Got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the underbody for you. Four-wheel drive works, the air does work. It's got front disc brakes. It's an original 302 truck, 302 Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intakes, got a set of headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, does have air, MSD 6AL ignition. I think it's automatic, can't remember what trans. Was it C4 or C6, Jay? Remember C4 or C6 trans? C4? Good looking truck, man. Again, wiper arms are coming. We've got the rear view mirror. We just got to put it up. All new glass, new door handles. I like the Hounds Tooth. I thought that was cool, man. Tilt columns, got the wood steering wheel, showing 30,353 on your odometer. It's got the factory dash, aftermarket radio in it. It's dual exhaust, stock rear end. Tailgate's all functional. Really cool little truck, man. Go ahead, Jay, let's put it up. Very cool truck. Nice and clean underneath. Yeah, that Hounds Tooth is cool, man. Super cool. Dash is nice. I should have jumped in the headliner, to be honest. I can't remember if I did that or not. Truck runs out good. Jay, you want to come put the hood down? Good little truck, man.
Gas gauge does work.
Gas, yeah, it's just low, guys, but the gas gauge does work. Backup lights are stuck on. I'll have them check it. At least you know they work, but I'll have them check the backup lights. Yeah, they went off. Yeah, I think your backup lights are sticking out when you're in, yeah, and they go off when you're neutral. You have to check that.
Okay.
You can hear the blower motor working. It works.
Okay.
That's on USB. We're not radio guys. There we go. There you go.
Tuner. We'll get a station because it's got an antenna up underneath the dash.
Oh, okay.
With the building right there.
All right.
It
Radio
works,
does
so.
work. Yeah, you can hear the powering it up. Again, the wipers do work. We ordered the arms for them, and hopefully you can see them up there. Jay's got them on. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. There, they went off. I bet you that's just the little switch in there. Neat little truck, man. It's only got one tank. I know it's showing both of them, guys, but it's actually just got the single tank. The very front tank is not being. They took the auxiliary tank off of it.